Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, a strategic wealth consultant from Tag Investments. Today we're going to talk about, is timing the market more important or staying in the market is more important? So it is always called time in the market is more important than timing the market. So a history of Nifty of last 30 years shows that somebody who had invested or stayed invested for 30 years continuously would have made 31x times the returns. But somebody in the last 30 years stayed invested but stayed out of the market for 10 days would have just generated 11x returns. Now just imagine the wealth destruction for that particular investor. He stayed invested for 30 years, but in the bear phase, he missed out on the best 10 days, which means he moved out of the moved out of the market when the markets were not good, and he missed the upside rally. Similarly, who missed the best 20 days would have just made 6x times the returns, and somebody who missed 30 best days in the bear market would have made just 3x returns. Now that is the power of staying invested in continuously in the market. So it is recommended, whether it is a bear phase or whether it is a bull phase, and you are entering in the market to be rich, to become wealthy, then irrespective of whether it's a bull market or a bear market, one should stay invested. This slide says it all. Please understand that the best best returns are made in a bear market. You would have witnessed it multiple times. There is history, there is immediate history, which one can witness from March 2020 lows till to August 2020 or September 2020. One would have easily made 50 to 60% returns in 5 months time, which is 10% average returns in a year. And if you were very gangor on selecting the best sector, the best companies to stay invested, one would have made 100 to 200% returns in 50 in five months time. So that is what the beauty of staying invested in the market is. So that's it for this video. Please do subscribe our channel in case you have not subscribed our channel. Whichever channel or whichever mode you are watching this video on, there is a Calendly link which we give. In case if you wish to connect with us for a 15 minutes discussion, it's a non-obligatory meeting with our wealth experts in which we help you, handhold you, customize your portfolio in case you're already invested. If you want to enter into the market with your fresh money, we also help you where one can park their money, whether it's a fixed income, whether it's mutual funds, whether it is stocks, bonds. We help you all in doing the right asset allocation basis your risk profile, age, your short-term, mid-term, long-term needs. So get on to a 15-minute strategy call with us, our wealth experts. Click on the Calendly link given below in the description or the comment box, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good year ahead and wish you all the best in your financial journey. Thank you so much.